Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Charles. I have 2 Disney nuimos.
Who are they, Charles?
Mickey.
Show 'em. There's Mickey Mouse and
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse, okay? And what are you reviewing today?
I'm opening the yellow bright tent.
The nuimos
tent.
Okay, go ahead and open it. So if we open the top, oh, there we go. Perfect. So it's nice and cute and yellow. Looks like it's got an opening here, right, Charles? Can you pull it open? I think it unfolds. Okay. How's it open? Where's it open? It opens on the side, and it also opens in the front of the tent. So we'll open up the front. Looks just like a normal mini tent. And you can, are you going to sit them in it? Or, okay, so there's Minnie. So if you open up, you can see she is sitting in the tent. And then why don't you put in Mickey? Go ahead, Charles. Put Mickey in. You do it. Here, take Mickey in your hand, sweetie. Put Mickey in. There you go. There you go. All right. So.
Hi. Bye. Thank you for watching.